What's up, y'all? So today we've got another install. I went to my local 4-wheel parts and I picked myself up a box. Thanks for watching, y'all. Make sure you subscribe. All right, I'm gonna get the box out. So, all right, we're gonna open this particular box. Oh yeah. Really? I don't even know how this box is supposed to open.
Maybe it's from the side.
I think I understand. No, I got it.
Nope, that's definitely not. Okay. Smittybilt.
Oh, I got the Smittybilt XRC 9,500 pound winch. It is not the synthetic. I just got the steel cable just because it's cheaper. That's it right there, y'alls. Okay, move your toes.
Keep your winch happy.
Nah. All right, so here's the actual winch.
You're playing like ping pong, so.
It's like already,
Wow.
yeah, check that out. That's sick. I don't know what these some are. Probably the wiring harness, I'm guessing, because there's wires.
That's the most obscure looking box shape ever.
This is the most obscure looking shape ever. So this is like the motor thing.
Good job, babe.
This is one of those wire things. That's another one of those wiry things. There's some like silver things. Here's one of those like gun things. Actually, what they have that's nice on the controller is that it's magnetic. So it just sticks to your bumper. So if you're like doing something and you just need this out of the way, you can just stick it to your bumper and it'll just stay there. So that's something that's super nice. See, it even sticks to the side of your car. I'm guessing this has the fair lead in it. Yes, ma'am, that's the fair lead right there. I'm just kidding. I'm glad that it comes with a black hook, honestly, just because it'll match my bumper pretty well. And then this is the fair lead that it comes with. I'm not super happy about the fact that it's silver. I don't like that just because it doesn't really match the style of my Jeep, but I don't think it'll look that bad.
Action!
Let's get for it.
Okay guys, we're done. Thanks for watching the video. We just did the installation. There's still tags and zip ties on it, but I think it'll be fine.
Oh! What's up, mother?
Emmy! She's just loving.
This I'm out.
Say hi.
Little yellow jack. Not that heavy one. You don't have to sit there. Hold it for me, sexy.
No, I'm just dropping it off.
In your face.
What does this do? Why is this here? Does this hold this? Is this supposed to stay here?
Will you stop asking questions, you?
Is it raining?
No, babe, that's a gremlin outside.
It's not raining, but it sounds like it's raining.
Freaking stop!
Is it raining?
I don't know, Tara. Is it?
Yeah. Go get a wrench.
I'll show you a winch. How do I mount this son? That's what I'm confused about.
Ow, my finger is stuck. So we took the positive and negative.
Unacceptable condition! Unacceptable!
So we took the positive and negative wires and just ran them through the bumper. Can I talk now?
I don't know. Can you?
Okay, so we took the positive and negative wires and ran them through the bumper here, and we just brought them out through the bottom.
Oh, you got to go down to the stroke. Come here.
So we ended up taking the positive charged wire and running it through a hole just down here in the bumper, but we kept the negative one running up through the bumper itself.
Ah!
Oh my god. Oh my god!
No, this is actually really difficult. So today we're gonna be tightening this bolt.
That's it? That's all we're doing today?
What's up, y'all? So today we're gonna be tightening this bolt. My battery terminal came off. He's on there solid.
Real smart.
Professional technician. This is who you want working on your car. Alright, so I took the wires through the bumper right there. I ran them up right past the headlights on the inside. Ran them up right through here. Looped it around. I actually put it under this little catch right here just because it didn't go over right there. Ran it around the battery and then just connected the positive and negative right there. And then we bolted on the fair lead right here.
Shut up!
And we're just going to spool it out a little bit through there, put the hook on, and then hook it on right there. So, sure.
Okay, so we did the final 2 screws on the bottom part of the winch, and this is the final product. Super clean. We tested the remote out. It just connects right here to the side. You just pull this up and plug it in. Really smooth. It's really easy to work. So here it is.
Alright, so I just got back from the Utah deer hunt. It was a pretty good hunt. Had a lot of fun with my buddies and stuff like that. So that video is going to be coming out tomorrow, I believe. I just wanted to kind of give you guys a review of the winch after kind of testing it and, you know, it being in use and stuff. Honestly, Smittybilt did a really good job with the directions on it as far as wiring and installation and stuff like that. You know, if you get the full kit with it and everything and you read the instructions and you have any common sense at all, it's super easy to install it. I had the Smittybilt bumper, obviously, and then I got the Smittybilt winch for it. So it was just, it fit absolutely perfectly. I couldn't have asked for anything better, honestly. It's a super high quality winch, and after it's installed, it's super easy to use. It's literally just plug and play. Honestly, I'd give it freaking 2 thumbs up for that winch. So yeah, I definitely recommend it, but hopefully this video helped you out a little bit. I know we kind of got off track a few times, but yep. So I want to thank you all for watching this video, and don't forget you can go to buckedupapparel.com and get some sick hoodies and t-shirts just like this. It's got Bucked Up Apparel right here on the sleeve. It's got their logo on the back and everything. They got a bunch of different colors, bunch of different styles, bunch of different sizes for all you different size people. And on that website you can use the promo code BuckshotTV for 15% off your total order. So just do it. Also, if you guys head over to Lua Tees on Etsy, you can use the promo code BuckshotTV10 for 10% off tees and hoodies just like this. They've got a few different designs and stuff like that, so you guys can go check that out.
Also, if you head over to the site sheshreds.co, if you use code TerraPachetti, you will be able to get 10% off your entire order spent there. And for your furry, 4-legged friends, if you want to use code Jackie20 for geopetric.com, you will get 20% off your order.
And also, I have started to make merch for our YouTube channel right now. I've only got a few prototypes for it, but you can see we got the Buckshot TV logo right there on the hat. So if any of you guys are interested in getting this sick hat right here, just comment down below and I will make some more. Make sure to subscribe to our channel if this is your first time seeing our videos. Leave a little like down there for us. Every like counts, honestly.
And make sure to share with your friends because, you know, everyone wants to see us do something dumb.
And make sure to keep it wild, y'all.
Got mud kicking off of my Red Wing boots, sweat stained tank top, and my blue leather looms. Keep it tucked. America. We're back to back, gonna feel